No like that, guys. I just love this song. I love this song. That's why I'm just like this. So welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Teoluckzboom. I do that to try and dash challenges for you guys. Yes, specifically you that commented my previous video, you that watched my previous video to the end. It's you that I'm doing the video for. Now you I did the video for. I don't know your name, but I promise to give you all the shout outs you guys deserve. Yeah, I'll call your name on the roster. I'll be tagging it on my screen and release to you guys basically. So shout out to you guys. Yeah, and I appreciate you guys for watching my video. So you're doing a sweet family song. Party, party, everywhere. It's Cincinnati, gonna get it up. I know the first song lyrics, guys, don't mind it. So basically, if you're new subscribe to this channel, like this video, let's dive right into the tutorial. Now this video is mirrored, yeah, on your right and your left, basically. Let's go and start. 5, 6, shall we first step is party here, party here. Basically, yeah, pointing to this side, pointing to this side. This is easy dance now. It's very easy. Let's go. Let's go. Come on now. Let's go. Let's go. Come on now. I guess me guys. Just you should just move your legs to 1, go 2, go 1, go 2. So party yeah, party yeah. Come on now. Everywhere. Something like this. Basically 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Party yeah, party yeah. Everywhere. It's like just basically you. The first step in it was basically you just move your legs sideways. Yeah, move your right leg to the side, move your left leg to the side. Basically just sideways. Yeah, leg basically to the side. So it's basically party yeah, everywhere. Not everywhere. So you are following what the song is saying. So once you say party yeah, you're facing this other side. Once you say party yeah, you're facing this other side also. So that's what it is. So let's go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Party yeah, everywhere. Clap. Once I've gotten that, let's go do this. Our kick drop. I taught this dance at my previous video bugging. Yes, I taught it cheap bagging. That is that. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Something like that. So it's, let's go start so you can get the concept. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Party yeah, everywhere. She's taking me, took it up. I sing. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see 4, 5, you're kicking backwards, basically. So you get the concept. So let's go. Let me start. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Party yeah, everywhere. Gonna get it up. So once I get that, I want to move on to this. I'm proceeding too fast for you guys. I don't know if I'm proceeding too fast. If I'm too fast, let me in the comment section. If I'm too slow, also let me in the comment section. Let's go. From the start. 5, 6, 7, let's go. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Party yeah, everywhere. Just get in. So let's go. Listen guys, that's how you have done. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. I was just forgetting. I have to tell you guys to subscribe. But many people will not subscribe. You will just watch the video and they will not subscribe. Please guys, subscribe to this channel for me. Thank you. Subscribe down below and like and comment. Yeah, I want you to comment. Yeah, you. So besides you that are watching me, you that I'm seeing here and comment in this video. Let's go on the start. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Party yeah, everywhere. Yes, like party get it out. Anything good. I think that what I've done is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do, then you drop your legs and do 1, 2, 3. Hope you getting me. Then you do 1, 2, 3. Forward. You move forward, just like 3 steps forward. 1, 2, 3. Once I've done this 3 steps, do 1, 2, 3. Then you do 1, 2. Let me go up to that point so I can get it. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Party yeah, everywhere. Just come to party, cause you can't give it up. Everything's gonna be alright, and things gonna be. I sing guys. So you do 1, 2. 1, 2. What you do? 1, 2. What you do? 1. Anyhow, when you rotate it, you can do anyone you want. It's basically the same style of dance. Because you guys want to see my channel, I literally tweak dance and we enjoy it together. Dance is meant for enjoyment, not being strict. Enjoy the dance. Yeah, enjoy the dance. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Party, yeah, party, yeah, everywhere. Just come party, booty, booty, booty. Everything's gonna be just fine. Listen, guys, once I've done this, 1, 2, your next step is 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen, straight. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. So, basically, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your hands are just doing, you're raising up like this. Your legs are doing 1, 2, 3, 1. Let's go. We start up to this point. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Party, yeah, everywhere. She's up the party, cause don't give it up. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Alright. Listen, guys, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you do. Once I've done that, the last step is now 1, 2, 3, 4. It's leg walk. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4. It's leg walk. Look at my leg. Look at the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's leg walk. Let's jump from the beginning to the end so I can get the concept. If you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe down below. Yeah, like the video and comment on the comment section. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Party, yeah, everywhere. You talk it, everything's gonna be alright. Just get it, it'll be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even though I took the dance, you see that I got it right. I can literally saw that I got it, even though I took the dance. Let's go one more time. I'm doing slow mo for you to understand it. Let's go. Party, yeah, everywhere. Just up the party, come, better give it up. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Gonna be alright. This is a little bit tight, so I cannot go back like that. But you get the gist, guys. You literally get the gist. Yeah, I know you guys got the gist. So guys, this will be the end of the video. I know you guys are great. In case you have not gotten the dance, let me know in the comment section too. So guys, let's go. And this is the final section of the dance. Let's go. Should I do one more time? Let me do one more time for you guys. That is so amazing. I just literally have to do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Party, everywhere. Just come to party, come on, powder, give it up. Everything's gonna be alright. Come on now, let's go. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, guys, so that's the dance for this challenge. In case you like it, kindly subscribe down below, like this video and share to your friends. Basically, and comment your comment section. Let's see, guys, and don't forget to watch 2 videos over here. Basically, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.